Welcome to Beautiful Space. Today I'm getting ready for my spring garden. I really don't have a lot of energy for the spring garden, but it's a habit. You know, that's why you should be careful what you allow to become habits. But this is a good habit to have. I'm just like, okay, you start the garden, but how you gonna do? Are you gonna complete it? Are you gonna be able to push yourself to do it? Well, I don't know how I'm doing what I did so far. So far, I've dragged about 100 pounds of soil from the attic. Not from the attic, I'm sorry. From the cellar to the first floor. I've washed with bleach maybe, I don't know, 100, 200 seeds. I'm going to pot some plants today. I dumped all the soil that I had from past plants that for whatever reason died. Not disease plants, just plants that died. I put it all in here. I think it's about um, maybe 40 to 60 quart size container. And I'm gonna, now that I mixed it all up, I even mixed some of my hair in here, I'm going to put it in a contractor bag and drag it upstairs and start potting these plants. So mixing all this up was quite a job. Any plants I had sitting around in a pot that did not survive, I'm going to use the soil. Now I have like these four right here, but I think these four are going to be okay, so I left them. But I dumped all the other ones in here. I'm gonna start potting these plants. Now a lot of people believe when you start seedlings, you need your soil to be sterilized. So you can achieve that if you really believe that by putting the soil in the oven. But I don't really believe that because the soil outside is not sterilized and it's living organisms in the soil. So I mix the soil up and I'm gonna start potting these plants. In pots. I don't know how I did that, but I did it. It's a habit. And I know it's important. You know, you talk about food security, but by growing this garden, I know I'll be able to put up a lot of food. A lot of food. My husband and I, we work very hard for the things we've grown and the different things we've done. My husband, he put a whole lot into this. So, and it's in both of us to do. We just love doing it. So I'm going to see what I got because I don't even know. I've been awful this year. I lost a lot of crops, a lot of food. But let me look and see what I got. All right. All right. What should we look at first? Oh, I don't even have this stuff turned up the right way. I don't know what I was doing. Did I at least write on the bag what it is? I didn't even write on the bag what this is. All right. I don't know what this is. So I'm going to come back to this. It's looking like an onion or a celery seed though. Did I write what this is? Well, this is pepper seeds because I actually put the pepper in a bag. So I know this, so I know this is pepper seeds. That got moldy. I'm gonna get rid of that. When you decide that you're going to plant a garden, one of the first things you need to do is decide what you're going to plant. Plant the things that don't like a lot of light in the back, and plant the things that need a lot of sun in your most sunny location. And pay attention to height so you can decide how you want everything to come together and the protection that one plant may give to another. And always label everything. Be organized. And I hope you guys have a great season. Thanks for watching Beautiful Space. Like, share, and subscribe.